Morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday and I have some bad news. For a start, I'm just going to apologise for the absolute state of me. She is looking rough. I am starting the vlog today on a Sunday because on Thursday my water bottle leaked in my gym bag with my camera in it, and the camera went blank. It wouldn't turn on. It was not a happy camera. So I put it in rice like you do for a phone overnight, and I woke up the next morning, checked it, and it seemed to be working fine. So this is after I'd filmed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and I was actually this week's vlog was actually quite good. I did like it was basically like a week in the life of Project 265. I showed you guys what I've been eating every day, and then on Friday I put in a new SD card. Filmed Friday and yesterday, and then I just went to put the SD card in from Monday through Thursday that I had in when the camera got wet, and there's nothing on it. It didn't save any of the clips from Monday through Thursday. Luckily, I vlogged Friday, Saturday on a different SD card, which apparently didn't get damaged, or I honestly don't know how it's like I don't understand what's gone wrong there, like how it's blanked the memory card, but it's like it's been formatted. But it's not just the vlog, there's like work on there for some work I've got with Fitbit coming up. Like, it's just deleted everything. Sorry to start this vlog on a downer. We do have a little bit of footage from the past couple of days. I thought I'd rather upload this than nothing. I'm gonna try and see if there's a way for me to get the footage back and maybe add it on to next week's vlog. Give you guys an extra long vlog next week. But for now, this is what we've got. I'm really sorry. There was nothing I could do, but my camera is apparently fine now. It's so stupid. Let's have a look and see what there is. I haven't started editing it yet. All I know is that there's only like 10 clips. But yesterday was super fun. We went to Tequila Rose brunch, me and Laz. Then met up with a couple of friends afterwards, and we ended up going to a bar. So for Project 265, I'm limiting myself to one night a week that I'm allowed to drink. And I didn't drink as much as I would usually drink, and I am going to try and not drink every week. But this was somewhat of a special occasion, and also work for Tequila Rose. Yeah, it was a little bit of like a special occasion evening, and it was fun and completely worth it, and I feel really fine today. And we're gonna go to the gym and get my steps in and just get back into my routine, and it's all good. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Sorry.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheet.
I got holes in different area codes. Alexa, pause. So I realised, thank you, I thought she wasn't going to do it then. She was rebelling against me yesterday. I think there was like a software update, but she would not stop when I was asking her very politely. I realised I didn't show you what I had for dinner yesterday, because I came home from spin last night. When I tell you I was dead on my feet, I was in a whole other dimension. I was so wiped. So, I have turkey bolognese. It's literally 50% turkey, 50% vegetables. So it's turkey veg bolognese, but I season it with taco seasoning, so I guess it's not bolognese. It's just mint. It's my go-to. I use 500 grams of turkey mince, and that makes me, and I use like 2 courgettes, 2 red peppers, a big onion, and like 10 cloves of garlic, and that is enough for 6 portions. So I always put 4 in the fridge for throughout the week, because it's always my dinner, and I usually will have like one meal maybe out, if I'm going out on like a date or if I'm going to see friends, I'll have one meal out in the week, and then the weekends I eat other things. And then I freeze 2, so that if I do then not eat out or I don't go out for the weekend, then I have my turkey mince in the freezer ready for me. For me, consistency is key when it comes to, you know, a little bit of fat loss or whatever, but consistency is best achieved when you're just repeating the same thing every day, basically. So I just have like an arsenal of meals that I love, that I enjoy. Like, this is delicious to me. I have loads of pasta with it, loads of cheese, it's delicious. But I have meals that I know, so that I don't have to be really concise with tracking and things like that, so I don't overthink it. I know that different combinations of meals that I like, if I have certain things together, like breakfast, lunch and dinner, I know will roughly be where I want to be macro wise. For me, it really takes a lot of the stress and simplifies things for me. So that's a little tip for you if you're someone who doesn't want to like track every single day. Just know roughly what meals are, and then be consistent with the same ones if you enjoy them. If you're like me and you can eat the same thing every day for a year, hyperfixation. Yeah, that's what I'm cooking for dinner. I am kind of excited right now. This is going to be a weird thing to be excited about, okay? And I don't want you guys to think that I am like a sociopath or a serial killer, which I know is a weird way for me to start this sentence. Sorry, the lighting was pissing me off. On Netflix, there is 2 shows on at the moment about Jeffrey Dahmer, who is a absolutely fucked up serial killer. You guys know I love true crime. I find the brains of psychopaths fascinating. I've read books about them, like interviews with a psychopath. I'm just like, it's so far removed from anything I could ever comprehend that I do just find it fascinating. And this is also going to sound really messed up, and I can't believe I'm talking about cannibalism on my vlog, but especially cannibals, because like I said, it's so just beyond the realm of anything I could ever do or think about, that I'm just completely fascinated by it. That's why there's such an enormous true crime community on YouTube, and why there are so many documentaries, because people are fascinated by it. Let me heat up my mince. I'm going to the living room while that cooks. I'm not cooking, I'm heating things up. Speaking of bad lighting, I'll just go here, sorry if you can hear the microwave. They have just released a docudrama. It's a 10-part docudrama about his life, which so far I'm on episode 3 is horrific and brilliant. Honestly, it's really good. But they've also released a documentary about him as well, so I'm watching them side by side. Is that really weird? Is it weird? Is it weird? I don't know, but I'm watching both about the same guy, so it's like watching it happen in the like reenactment, and then hearing the behind the scenes and like other people's viewpoint of it, and it's absolutely fascinating. It's so messed up, you guys. It's so messed up. Like, the things that they found in his flat are just so messed up. I was talking to Arms about this, and apparently there was some controversy about his family, of the family of the victims, not wanting it to be released, which obviously I completely understand, because the things that he did are completely horrific. But I want to know how they dealt with that situation. I'm interested, I'm invested, I'm intrigued. That's what I've been spending my evenings watching. And at the moment, if anything, I'm actually quite overwhelmed with TV at the moment. Strictly, Great British Bake Off, RuPaul's Drag Race, 2 Jeffrey Dahmer documentary series, there's a new David Attenborough, and obviously the Gilmore Girls. I haven't started David Attenborough, RuPaul, there's new episodes of Rick and Morty. There is so much of all of my favourite TV shows are back, and I'm not on top of it. I don't have enough hours in the day to watch all of it, and it's actually stressing me out. Because like Strictly, RuPaul and Bake Off, you kind of want to watch as it's happening, you know? Maybe I should watch them back and catch up instead of watching loads of stuff about serial killers. Maybe I'll get nightmares. Anyway, I need to eat. I'm stuck. Clearly I'm getting... Sorry, there's that fluff in my eye that's really... Can you tell that I'm getting irritated? Where are you, you bastard? Anyway, I'm getting delirious, but I'm gonna eat this, finish this documentary, fake tan, and then I'm gonna go to bed, because tomorrow I'm up in London, just in time for me not drinking. I mean, I've said once a week. I've got a Tequila Rose event tomorrow. It's a brunch, it's a work event, it's a paid work event. it's like something that I really want to go to, obviously, but it's also work. So I will have a few drinks, but nowhere near what I would normally have. But I'm excited, and I'm taking Laz, so you guys are going to see Laz tomorrow. So but I need to get up early for a spinning class before I go, so I need to go to bed early. So I'm gonna go, and I'll speak to you in the morning. Good morning, campers. Happy Saturday, baby. We have a very busy day today. You and I, you and me, we. But first things first, I gotta get my hour of movement in today, so I'm off to a spin class. Love me my Saturday morning spin. I haven't actually been in a little while because I've been honestly just lazy. So we're off to kickstart the day right. I'm feeling good. Fake tanned last night. I'm feeling so much better. I was feeling a little bit pasty. But I am running late. We're a bit misted up here, folks. Turn on the heat. Right, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my days. She's dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so hot. I'm so sweaty. I feel so good. I love spin. Oh, okay. I need to leave for the station in an hour and 20 minutes, and I need to get home, which is a 20-minute drive, shower. I washed my hair this morning. It's obviously now drenched with sweat, but I'm just gonna blow dry it. Is that gross? I don't know. Shower and do my makeup and pack a bag. Wish me luck, babes. Cheers. Oh, she's pooped. Ooh.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you?
Does anyone else do this? Alexa, pause. Does anyone else do this? When you have like a time sensitive activity to do, like doing your makeup or just tidying, something like that, do you set the like beats per minute of your music to faster tempo so that you move faster? Because that's what I do, and all the songs that keep coming on are really slow, and it's starting to stress me out. I feel like I'm going too slow. Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. Hello everyone, we've just arrived at the venue for the Tequila Rose brunch. We have our favourite special guest, Miss Laura Barker. Long time no see. But I just wanted to vlog this toilet. The venue looks beautiful, I'll show you that as well, but honestly, this toilet is...
It's very you.
It's very me, isn't it? It is very me. I'm impressed so far. I'm also like proper mathed in, I'm so sweaty.
Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid. Sometimes we smile when we're mad, and some lines we wished we'd never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from me
back to Sunday Emma. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed what remnants of a vlog was here. I'm just sorry. It wasn't my fault, but I just feel crappy about it. It's just frustrating for me. Yeah, I will try and recover the clips, but see what I can do. So we'll give it a crack. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you I think on Wednesday for a Project 265 video. Bye.